class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. In the previous video, I have explained you chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers, Basic IPO Cycle. That is your input, process, output. How your data and information works together. Now, I will be explaining you the hardware and its part. Now children, your computer is divided into two parts, that is hardware and software. Today we will be discussing about only hardware and its various devices. Okay, hardware is children anything you can touch or feel is called your hardware devices. Okay, like you can touch your keyboard, you can touch your mouse, right? You can touch them, right? But you cannot touch the icons inside the computer, right? You just select them with the help of your mouse. But keyboard, mouse, monitor, these are what? These are the hardware parts of your computer, okay, which you can touch and feel. Now let's talk about the 4 basic devices of your hardware, the 4 basic parts. First is your input devices. As I have told you earlier, input devices are those which help us to give instructions to your computer. Now, the first input device is keyboard and the second is mouse. With the help of keyboard, what will we do? We give instructions, and with the help of mouse, we select or we choose or we give instruction. This is also an input device. Second comes your processing device. As you all know, as we have a brain, our computer is also having a brain, right children? So, CPU is what? The brain of the computer, which does what? All the mathematical calculations are done inside the brain of the computer, right children? So, CPU is what? A processing device, okay? Third comes your output devices. Anything which gives you the final result after the input and processing is called your output devices. Earlier you were knowing only input, processing, output. Now what are the devices underneath them? These I am trying to explain you. Now output devices are your monitor and printer. When you give instruction with the help of the keyboard, and the processing is done with the help of CPU, the final result is shown where? I have told you earlier, right? On the monitor screen, on your computer monitor screen. Okay, suppose you have typed, you are typing a letter with the help of your keyboard. Where will you see the letter? On your monitor screen? The result will be on the monitor screen. It's just not like that you are just typing and nothing is seen in front of you. You will be typing and on the monitor screen the letter will be shown in front of you. Okay? Printer does what? You give command to the printer that you want the soft copy of the computer, your letter, into a hard copy. What happens? On A4 size sheet, a printed letter will come in front of you. Now last is children, your storage devices. Storage devices are what? Storage devices are devices which helps you to store your information, your data. Okay? For example, your school books are stored where? Inside your almirah, inside your school bag, right? School bag is what? Storage device for your books and notebooks. In the same manner, children, for your computer information, important data, the storage devices are CD or DVD, pen drive and hard disk. CD is smaller, bigger than its pen drive, bigger than its DVD, then pen drive and then hard disk. Okay? In CD, DVD, in these storage devices you can store movies, music, games, etc. Many things. Okay? Now let me show you some images of the input, process, output, storage.
See your input devices, processing devices, output devices and storage devices.
In the next video, I will be explaining you the software devices. Okay children, I hope you understand it by looking at the pictures and by understanding through the whiteboard. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.